Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a fashion haul, a clothing haul. I have a little bit of makeup, a little bit of jewelry, some accessories, some shoes, a little bit of everything. Quarantine did me dirty and I went a little crazy. So this is just the stuff I have accumulated over the last few months, and if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep watching. I'm at my parents' house and they're talking. I mean, it's their house so they can, but like, sorry if you hear them. Okay, and I'm just using natural lighting today, so if the sun is changing and the colors are changing, I'm really sorry about that. Also, if I sound different, it's because my allergies are kicking my butt right now, and so this is just my voice for the time being. So let's just jump right in. So the first store that I want to talk about is Nasty Gal, and I haven't really shopped there very often, but I saw one of my favorite YouTubers, Jessica Stockstill, talking about loving Nasty Gal lately, so I went on and got a couple things. And so the first thing I got is this set that I'm wearing right now. I'll just show you. It's a two-piece set and I just have this tucked in, but it's like super comfortable and just like really cute. And the second thing that I picked up from there are these adorable freaking boots. I think these will be perfect for the fall, but also just like late summer. I think it's so cute. It's like this cream like snakeskin print, and I love like the pointed toe on them. Okay, and then somewhere I've been shopping like non-stop recently is Target, because that's like the only store that we have in town that has like cute stuff. These are some of my favorite things I've gotten. Their Cozy line at Target is literally so bomb, you guys. So the first thing I got are these joggers. It's kind of like a balayage, but that's for hair. They're like ombre. Yeah, they're ombre. Is that what I'm thinking? I'm thinking hair, but you know what I mean. So it goes from like this navy to gray, and they're just literally the most comfortable things ever, but they make them really cute. I just get a size medium, so they're like a little bit oversized, and they're just like so comfortable. Okay, and then these joggers are like my all-time favorite joggers I've ever had, and they're like a little bit acid wash on the tops and bottoms, and these ones are just like this really bright red. They're also from Cozy, and these I got in a large because I just love like oversized sweatpants. These aren't like too big. I just rolled them over once, but I could definitely get away with getting like a medium, maybe even a small. But the larges are just like really comfortable, oversized. I sleep in them, I wear them out. I just am obsessed, and I know they come in like a nude, a black. They come in like a nude and a black color too, so I really want to get all of them. And I love these because they're only 20 bucks, and I feel like you can get really cute joggers at like Aritzia, Lulu, places like that. But like literally check Target, check Walmart, like you can get such cute joggers, and these are like literally the comfiest things ever. The last thing that I got from Target that I want to show you guys is this big huge yellow sweatshirt, and it has a hood on it. I have this. It's not showing up like true to color, but I have this in a freaking extra large. Oversized, comfy things I'm living in so much lately, and this like bright yellow is just so flattering on a tan or on like lighter skin tones too. But I like them oversized because I can drape it off my shoulder a little bit. And I know they have other colors of this. This is by the brand Universal Thread at Target. Okay, and then speaking about really comfy clothes that are cute too, I got this super soft sweatshirt from Aerie. And it's like my new obsession. It is just like the coziest, softest thing ever, and it's still lightweight. I got it in a medium, and it does run oversized, so I could have gotten a small and it'd still be big, but a medium just fits perfectly. And then like my latest obsession, like my favorite place to shop, so it's called Altered State, and it's like, honestly, I think it's like faith-based. It's really cute. It's like just really like bohemian, I would say, vibe. It's kind of like a Free People vibe, and I've just been obsessed with them. And I went there the other day and I got way too many things, but this is my first thing that I picked up. It's this super cute purse. It has like an over-the-shoulder strap, and then this little detail that I love with this like brass, and in the middle it comes with like this huge bag that you could just take out if you don't want it, or just leave it in here. It's really spacious, and I felt like I just needed like a grown woman purse, so this is my grown woman purse, and I'm so excited for the fall. This is going to be stunning, and I love that it has a strap on it, but also if you want the strap off, you can take it off too. So I'm just like so obsessed with this, and it's like really structured at the bottom, so it's not going to fall over when you like put it on a table. The next thing that I got that I'm definitely going to pair with the purse is this super cute floppy hat, and it's like a felt. And I just think floppy hats are such a vibe. They're so cute. You can wear them like a lot of different ways. Like you can wear them straight on, you can put them like further back on your head. You can wear them with your hair down, hair up. Like, they're such a cute staple to have. I have so many, but like this one I just loved because it's like the suede material, and it looks just like my purse. And then at Ulta today, I also picked up just like a pack of really cute rings. They're just like a pack of just really cute dainty gold rings, and I've been obsessed with rings lately, and this is just a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings. It was only 15 bucks, and I just thought they were really cute. Next, I'm obsessed with this top. I can't really show you what it looks like, but basically it's this like really flowy, like really soft crochet material. The pugs are breathing so loudly right now. And then it just like ties in the front, and I just think this is so cute. This is like a perfect transition piece. You can just tie this and wear this in the fall too, and I just think it's like it's so beautiful. And then like my obsession, I'm so excited for this, but I got a skirt, and it's like getting really overexposed, but it's just like bright, like I would say like yellow green color, and it's beautiful. And I don't have a skirt, but I know that skirts are like really in right now. Really cute. It'd be so cute with that floppy hat. The last thing I picked up were these super cute shoes, and I'm obsessed with the crochet detailing. I'm obsessed with the platform, and then the back little like caramel colored, camel, whatever you want to call it. And these are really comfortable and like super lightweight, and I'm short, so like I love when I can get like a little bit of a heel, and these are just super comfortable, super easy to wear. Throw this on with some jeans, some shorts, a dress, that skirt, and you have like such a cute outfit. And then from Area, I got these really cute joggers, and they're leopard print, and they have like a cinched waist, so they're so comfortable. They're like loose weight. They're loose and lightweight. And then they cinch at the bottom too. They're like a jogger style, but like fancier. And I'm so excited to just pair these with like a plain basic tank top and some sneakers or some flip-flops, slides, whatever. And I just think they're so comfy, so cute, and I'm all about like cute, comfortable fashion. And then my parents are moving right now, so we went to World Market to like look for house stuff. But World Market has really cute jewelry, and so I stopped there. And I first just got, Minnie, do you mind? This cute, just like bracelet. I love just layering, stacking bracelets, so I got this one too. That's a little bit fancier, and I just think they're so cute. They like literally make your outfit. The like one of the cutest things I got. I'm obsessed with these. Are you kidding me? Look at these slides. They're so glam and so cute, but like so comfortable. How much were these? These were on clearance too. I think these were like 14 bucks. How cute though, like they'll just make any outfit look so glam. I'm obsessed with these. I know not everyone will like these. They look kind of like bird feathers, which maybe they are. I'm not really sure, but I think they're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. And then from World Market, guess what I got? Another floppy hat. And this one actually is different than what I own though. Like it has that really cute strap on it. It's like an actual felt material, and this one like actually fits my head. Like a lot of them I feel like if I'm out it's gonna blow off, but this one is like actually fit my head. It looks cuter with my hair down, but like I just appreciate the fit of this one, and it was really inexpensive. So like go check out World Market and like their cute like hats, accessories stuff, because you can find a lot of good gems in there. And I'm excited. This one like will look really cute even transitioning into the winter time. And the last place I went to is Ulta, and I haven't been to Ulta in literally like 3 months, you guys. So I just got a couple staples. I ran out of my self tanner, and I actually found a self tanner that I like better than Loving Tan. It's insane, but it's sold out everywhere. So once it comes back in, I'll do a video on it. But I just get the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in Ultra Dark, and I'm obsessed with this. This like will last me maybe like 6 uses. I don't know, but it's worth it, and it's just like I can depend on this. Like if I have a photo shoot, if I have a date, if I have something I want to be bronze goddess for, I'm gonna put this on the night before, and I'm perfect the next day. My tan is perfect. And then I picked up another Morphe concealer. I get the shade C1.65. It's like a soft matte concealer, and I'm just obsessed with it. The wand is really nice. It's just like a pretty concealer, and it's at like a drugstore price. I've already went through a whole one of these, and I have a lot of concealers, so I knew I just wanted another one, and I love that they're inexpensive. And then I decided to try something new. It just like caught my eye. Cream blush is like really pretty in the summer, but I can't really like find any that I like, so I got this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and I don't think it's a cream blush, but it's just like a, I don't even know. Okay, yeah, it's kind of like bouncy. I'm not really sure. This is the shade. I just thought it was so pretty. It's like got a gold reflex on it, and yeah, I just thought it'd be really pretty and like a flush pretty color. Okay guys, and that is all. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know. Like I said, these like clothing hauls are like my favorite videos to watch. I'm obsessed with fashion and I've been really into it lately. Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. I'll also try to link everything that I mentioned down below if it's still in stock. And then if you guys have any questions, just comment below. Make sure you are subscribed and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh.